So what does life look like in a state of emergency here in Tokyo? Now that it has officially been declared a state of emergency in Tokyo, things are certainly different here. Thankfully, essential services will stay open, along with supermarkets, drugstores, and convenience stores will all stay open. But some of these stores have cut back and reduced their store hours. Restaurants are also cutting back their store hours, while the big and popular chains, along with the mom and pop shops, continue to remain open full-time. There are also some restaurants that are only doing takeout now. You can see the changes in Tokyo, the city that never sleeps. But now, the streets are noticeably vacant. The ambiance is quieter, filled with a shroud of emptiness. Spaces are unoccupied with less people going out, and something about the city just feels different. Yes, it sucks in the current state of things. We can't go out freely like before without some restriction. We can't travel right now. People are losing their jobs, and who knows how long this will last and what economical impact it'll have in the long run. Things may seem bleak if we only focus on the negatives. But I think there's definitely a silver lining here. Now, if we take this opportunity to look at this as an unexpected gift, look at all the good things this is bringing, we actually have more time to do the things we've always wanted to do. More time to spend with our families, our parents, children, and our loved ones. Use this time to video chat with some friends and reconnect with people. Make the most out of this and improve ourselves. If we better ourselves here, we'll definitely be in a better place when this passes and it's all over. Personally, this extra time has been great. I've been trying to make the most out of it since we'll never have an opportunity like this to have some downtime. How we live and go about our day-to-day has certainly changed. But what we do with this time and how much we utilize it is up to us, and that's what's going to count. Whatever happens, I know my greatest regret would be if I didn't do anything productive with this extra time to better myself, to work on a project, to study, or to read when this is all over. And this will pass. My name is Ernest Kyung. I'm a Canadian living in Tokyo, and in this video, I'll talk about what a typical day looks like now. I thought it would be interesting to make this video to capture a piece of this historical and unprecedented time in our lives. And more importantly, to show you guys the excitement of staying at home. So without further ado, let's start the day. Welcome to the kitchen area. If you've been watching my videos or following this channel, this is actually the first time I've shown this area and made a video here. It's important these days to have a set routine to start the day off right. So for me, that's making breakfast every morning. So this morning, like most mornings now, I'll start off the day by making a proper full breakfast with some sausage, some eggs, a nice glass of milk. I'll heat up some hash browns. And sometimes on mornings when I'm really hungry, I'll make sure to have some bread to get my fruits in. Right after breakfast, I'll start work. This is my work area, where I'll spend most of my time working during the business hours. I'll be working away on my laptop, staying in touch with different teams throughout the day. And even though everyone's working from home now, there's still meetings happening where we'll all dial in through video chat. I've been working from home since late February, and I have to say, I am enjoying this extra time. Every day, I feel like I have at least 2 more hours in my day. I'm saving lots of time not having to travel or commute between places, and not having to get ready and change in the mornings. I actually don't drink coffee, so most of the time I'm drinking water from the tap to stay hydrated. And Japan's tap water is so safe and tasty. Well, at least I hope it is. I've been drinking this stuff for like a year now. Oh, and if you live in Japan, comment down below. Do you drink tap water or do you buy water? During lunchtime, I'll typically go outside for a walk to get some fresh air and sunshine, and to pick up something to eat. Usually, my options now are McDonald's because of the lunch value specials and the sheer convenience, or getting a lunchbox at any of the supermarkets. Or if I'm feeling rather lazy or tight on time, there's always sandwiches, pastries, and a huge variety of instant noodles. Unfortunately, we can't really go to the gym these days, so I'll have to incorporate some exercise in my day and routine. These days, I'll go out for a run around the neighborhood, or I'll run to the park with the pond. Or I'll stay home and do a core workout right here. Most of the exercises I do focuses on the core area with leg raises, toe touches, Russian twists, some planks, and a mix of push-ups. I'm also using this extra time to study languages. It's safe to say the spark for learning languages has been rekindled. I'm motivated again to study Japanese with a newfound sense of passion and drive, so I'll make sure to put some time in my day to do so. I'm also learning Korean at the same time, so after Japanese, I'll study Korean with Duolingo because my Korean is still very basic, but I'm having a lot of fun and it's been very exciting navigating through the language, going through the basics and figuring everything out. So I just want to say to my Korean friends watching this video, thank you for helping me learn the language. I'm also using this extra time to get back into reading. I haven't been reading much since I moved to Japan. Certainly not as much as I used to back in Canada. So I thought I'd change that by charging out my old handy Kobo reader. And now I make sure to read for at least 15 minutes each day. Sometimes I could read for up to an hour, depending on the book, if it's something I can't put down. Currently, I'm reading this. It's Radical Candor by Kim Scott. This is my favorite part of the day, when I can just relax and chill out before it all starts over again tomorrow. To unwind at the end of the day, I'll have a snack and I'll watch something before I go to sleep. These days, I'm mainly watching Japanese content such as anime, drama series, movies, along with Japanese subtitles. If I watch something in English, I'll also turn on Japanese subs to follow along, just so I can supplement my language learning efforts, even during downtime. That concludes this video. I hope you guys make the most out of this extra time at home with both your personal and professional goals, whether it's picking up a new hobby, reading, studying, or starting a new project. Comment down below, what are you guys doing with this extra time at home? If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, then give it a like. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for more quality content about life in Japan, and hit that bell to follow along this journey. And with that, stay healthy, stay safe, keep chasing those dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!